Today I'm going to show you how to set up your TeamSlide account. Please note that this is for the manual installation of TeamSlide and not single sign-on. You're going to start in the welcome email and click the link to set your password. Once you've done that, you'll click the link to get the PowerPoint add-in in the Microsoft App Source. Click Get It Now and then follow the prompts. You'll likely have to sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. After you've signed in, you'll click Open in PowerPoint. This will take you to PowerPoint where you can now enter your login credentials and click Sign In. You can adjust the pane size as you see fit. You can also access TeamSlide through the Home ribbon. Just click the icon and the pane will open up. And that's it. Please let us know if you have any questions or if we can help.